it knackered the top section there. So that's the original part for the original intake, that small section. I could have been a bit cleaner, but it frayed a little bit on end and it damaged this side. And it damaged that when it hit it. It pulled it, knocked it, pushed it to one side and it broke that top section. So that's the original part, the very tiny little intake, what comes as standard on it. So I've managed to glue that down and bond it down. Base coat it with gel coat, fibre over at top, and lashings of resin.